Hello, and welcome back to this series of Midland College Library Help videos. In this video, we will learn about using reserve materials in the library. Reserve materials are items that may not be used outside of the library, but are available inside the library. These items include our hands-on science kits, technology aids such as charging cables, and most importantly, textbooks. Our textbooks are located on a dedicated shelf near the circulation desk just inside the front doors of the library. We do not have textbooks for all courses, but we do have many. Just ask at the circulation desk just inside the front doors to see if we have the textbook you need. Our staff will direct you to the appropriate book or help you locate it. Then we will ask for your student ID number. If you aren't sure of your student identification number, just tell us your name and we can look it up for you. We will check the book or item out to you, and you may take it to the area of the library that you have made your study space. When you are done with the material, bring it back to the circulation desk for our staff to check in. It's as easy as that. If you need more information, watch our other videos, stop by the library, or reach out through library chat on our webpage. Have a great day.